Hey traders and investors, it's Serge Berger here. Got a lot of questions on the transports on Monday. Not surprisingly, of course, a vertical rally that just doesn't want to die. And with Monday's rally, with the transportation ETF, the IYT has actually done is break above the channel that has been in place more or less, let's call it, since early 2013. What's surprising here, or maybe more noteworthy, I should say, is that this break to the upside of the channel happened after it actually broke below the bottom of the channel in October. So you have a very, very significant move happening here that to me is not something you want to chase on the long side. You don't necessarily have to short it per se, but just definitely not something to buy up here. If you're looking to buy the IYT on breaking out of this channel, I can tell you that through at least a multi-week lens is probably going to be a very weak risk-reward strategy. Again, the important takeaway here is that we had an ETF in this case, or an index that broke below its 200-day moving average and more importantly, below this channel here, faking out a lot of people, and now it's doing the same thing on the upside. Doesn't mean this has to fall apart. It does mean, however, that at the very least, what needs to happen here is for this to consolidate a little bit down here, and it's going to have to come back into part of this channel here at some point. So the main takeaway: not chasing the transportation stocks on this move higher, and even though they've led the market higher, but definitely also not necessarily shorting it here at this point. They're too strong. People are forced to chase this stuff higher. If you look back, if you can look back at this in a few weeks from now at the latest, I suspect we're going to find the transports right back into this channel before they then decide to actually break higher in a more sustainable fashion or turn back lower. That's to be determined next, but at this point, I would not chase the transports higher. Hope this makes sense, guys. As always, if you got any questions, you can hit me up on Twitter. My Twitter handle is SteadyTrader, and I'll see you in the next video.